What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Bringing you another video. Gonna bring you another video after another video. We got an update on these wheels and the brake system. But before that, bringing you this video. You read the title. You read the title. Man, I let these kids drive my freaking Challenger, or try to. Let's go. Button is to press down on it, so you can lift the back up too, just the back if you want to. It's gonna be hard for you to sit like that though. Okay, so you have 2 feet though. The left one is the clutch. To go in the gear, you have to hold the clutch down. Hold it down right there. You have to hold it down, and you have to go in the first gear. That tells you what it's telling you where to go. That's only to start the car. You gotta keep it on there.
I gotta keep it on?
Yep. Until you press the gas. You can't let off that clutch until you press the gas. So you're going just like this. You're on the clutch. You're off the gas. So you're going just like this.
Oh my God.
No. It's okay. It's okay. So don't let it go. So hold onto the clutch and ease your foot onto the gas, like touch it. Don't even let go of the clutch. So you gotta ease it off. You gotta go ease it. So ease at the same time, slowly. But you gotta make sure you're pressing it.
Oh my God.
You gotta make sure you press the gas.
The gas pedal is so sensitive.
I know what it's very. I know. You're not, because as soon as you let off the gas, the car's gonna stop. It's a manual. It's not automatic, so it's not like. It's not like when you drive. Yeah. So it's not like when you're driving an automatic. When you're driving an automatic, that motherfucker gonna go into the wall. Yeah. A stick does not do that. It stops you because it has no power to go. It has no motion. So you have to be able to. You're on the clutch, so you're already in first. So that's why I never started in gear. When I started in gear, I never started in gear. Then I put my foot on the clutch, and I go into first. Okay, now my foot is on the clutch. You have to go like this. So you're easing off of one and pressure on the other one at the same time. Oh shit, yeah. No, keep going. Gas. Just real slow. Turn right. Go slow. Turn right, go slow. Put your foot on the clutch and push it in the second. Clutch. Just clutch on it. God. Almost.
Do I gotta put it back in first?
Yep. Same way. Clutch.
I keep forgetting you gotta push this hard.
Every time you change gears, you have to press the clutch. So once you're gassing it, and you go to change the second, you have to hit the clutch and go in the second. Second is down. So you're already, when you're in first, you're up, right? You have to just go straight down. You have to follow that. Okay? There you go. Foot off the gas. Clutch it. Yeah. Foot off the gas. Brake it and hold the clutch. Brake and hold the clutch at the same time. Nope. Don't change it. No, brake and hold the clutch at the same time. So when you do that, because you're coming to a stop sign. So when you're coming to the stop sign, you gotta brake it and clutch at the same time.
Clutch forward or back?
Don't clutch. No, clutch.
Oh, just hold the clutch.
Yes. Don't go into gear. Take it out of gear. Then you're gonna go back into third, which is just straight up. When you get in the third, it's gonna be hard. It's different when you go into third because you have to go. So hold your foot on the clutch. So you gotta go up, down, then let it come up and over, because that's automatically gonna put you in the third. Then come straight back down to fourth. You shouldn't go into anything higher than fourth because we're on the street, and this has a lot of horsepower. There's no way you should go past that. Okay.
What is it in now?
It's in fourth, so just take it out. It's okay to take it out. It ain't gonna happen. That's in third. Come down.
That's in third?
Yep. Go over.
Oh.
Then go up. See? That's how loose it is.
Yeah.
So it's third. So that's first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and then all the way over is reverse. If you go all the way over to the right and up, it's reverse. It should never go into that gear unless you're in like medium RPMs. Okay?
Okay.
We'll start it. Oh, it's okay. It happens, believe me. I did this so many times driving with your mom. It's all right. It's gonna be harder because you're scared of that stop sign. Yeah. Gas it. Don't press. No clutch. No clutch. No clutch. Yep. Press the clutch now. Hold it and start it. Give it gas. No stop. Hold on. Because you have to give it. You have to make sure the car has gas. It's cam, so it takes a lot to give this car gas now. So now go into first.
So when I get to the stop, I gotta press.
Just try to turn at the same time.
Okay.
So if you're already driving, just try to go into first. First. Clutch. Yep. Clutch.
Is it in first?
It's in first. Slow. Don't. Slow. Now go. Gas it. Put off the gas. Clutch. Just the clutch. Go. Don't go too fast. Stop. Don't do anything. No gas, no brake, no nothing. Now press the clutch. And you in third. Okay. In third.
Right.
Take your foot. Clutch two. Just roll. Nope. Just roll. Okay. Now you're sitting still. Now we're gonna go in the second. Clutch. No gas. Don't even do nothing yet.
Roll.
Just a little bit. It's okay. Because we're at the light is red now. So go up a little bit. Start it. Go in the first and do the same thing. Just a little bit. Just get us to this. It's okay. Because you're already in gear. Yeah. That's why I always take it out of gear, because if you start it in gear, you're gonna jerk. So I just started out of gear. I always started out of gear.
I can't do this, guys.
Yeah, you can. It's gonna take you a little bit, believe me. It's harder because we trying to drive on the street. Being in the parking lot, totally different. So go in the clutch and go in the first. And just get us to.
Wow.
Can't be afraid of it. Start it again. Clutch. Yep. Out of gear. Clutch. Out of gear. And start it. Go in the first and go up to the line.
Oh, I'm pressing it.
I know. It's okay. But you're doing each one at a time. So do it again. Start it. Now you got to turn it. Go in the first.
Go.
Yep, go. It's okay. The only thing I'm worried about is light clutch. You can, yeah. Wait for a minute. same thing you did at the stop sign. You're gonna go in the first and turn at the same time. You gotta don't gas it too hard. We all got left foot. You got the heavy foot. It's just enough, not hard, but not too soft, because it's cam.
I can't see his face.
Meanwhile.
Go on the first. Do it again. Turn that again. Start it. Hurry up. On the first. You have to hold the gas. You have to be able to switch at the same time. Clutch. Okay. Clutch it. Start the gas. Sometimes when it does that, you have to give it a little bit of gas. You got to tap the gas. Yeah, don't hold it. Just tap. When you start it, it'll start on its own. Just tap the gas so that the engine gets gas. Clutch it and go in the first. First, you're holding the clutch, right? Yeah. So you're holding it right now. You're holding it right now. No matter what, no gas. You're holding the clutch. You're already in first. So you're like this. Your feet are like this. You're gonna have to go like this and turn at the same time. Just wait a second. Let a few cars come. Okay, go. Keep gassing it. Not too hard. Take your clutch. On the third. I think you're in fifth. Now you coasting. Just coasting down. Foot on brake and clutch at the same time. Brake and clutch. Okay, keep going. Not too hard. You don't want to stop. You want to roll. Just roll. No, stop. Is that emergency brake on? Yes, it is. Don't press that one. Yeah. That's why, too. That's why you kept stopping. So, clutch.
He had
No, clutch.
accidentally hit the emergency brake, y'all.
You gonna go this way? See how they ease it now? And stay in first. So, and don't go
I was
hard.
scared for my
Go
life.
hard on the gas. Clutch only, nothing else. Yep, turn. Clutch and brake. Now go. It's gonna hit hard. Just go. I don't even care. Just go. Slow. And whenever you slow down, you're putting your foot on the clutch and the brake at the same time.
Do I push the clutch all the way down? Or no?
Yeah. And you just touch them. You'll be all right.
Okay, I think I got it. A little bit down.
Just a little bit. Yep, you got it. These are gonna hurt no matter what. It is what it is. Never, don't brake all the way because our car has to have gas. Okay. Otherwise, it turns off on you. Pick a side.
Just hitting them speed bumps.
Clutch and brake all the way. Clutch, brake. You holding both, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Shit, don't fucking have to take gas. All right, so you're gonna have to clutch and gas just a little bit.
Clutch and gas?
Yeah, just a little bit of gas. All right, brake, you got it?
Yeah.
Cool, all right, see, there you go. Now just go up just a little bit.
I keep forgetting I gotta switch.
We made it to the gas station. That's all I know.
Right? Because we're going to roll because we're on the hill. That's what you have to learn about sticks. If you're on the hill, you will roll. No matter what, because this is not an automatic. Okay, clutch. And put yourself in the first. Put it in the first. Brake and clutch. brake and clutch. You're in first. Okay, off the brake. Clutch, right? Put it in first. Pull it over. Push up. Now go. Don't go too hard on the gas. You're not in gear. Push it over and push it up. I'll push it all the way over. Clutch, all the way over, all the way up. There you go. You'll feel it.
So close, bro.
Got it? Clutch and brake. Yep. So take off the brake. That's it. Only foot off the brake. Now you have to figure out how to switch it. All right, you get it. You get it. Ooh, what you did? What you broke? You broke something.
Me?
Yep, you broke something. That's all right. Now brake.
This?
Yep.
I just pull it?
Foot. Push. No.
Oh.
Your foot. That foot pedal.
This one?
Yeah. Push it all the way down. Okay.
The e-brake. The e-brake.
sure you
Press
ready for
the
that, huh?
e-brake.
Okay. I'll take y'all in the parking lot when we get back, and y'all can go in the parking lot and try to go forward and backwards.
Have so much goddamn power.
Exactly, and that's what I was telling myself. But now it's like whatever. I got another clutch in the shop, so I don't. If the clutch messes up, it messes up.
Yeah, that's what I told her. So he trying to bring it down here.
Yeah, if the clutch messes up, it messes up, bro. That is funny. Only problem is having big feet.
Yeah, I was
Big
barely
feet,
touching
boy.
it. It'll go.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was driving mom's car. You got a time to push on it.
Yeah.
That's why I was trying to let you drive mom's car and this. Answer that.
Y'all got some money?
Arthur, I went to 7-Eleven after
Yeah,
practice.
motherfucker got my whole fanny pack. I was.
Come on. Y'all use Apple Pay.
Did you take the key out?
No?
I ain't driving back.
Kids learning how to drive.